Most people think alcohol is just a bad habit, but the truth is far more terrifying. The moment alcohol enters your body, it hijacks your brain chemistry, weakens your liver, rewires your dopamine system, destroys your sleep, and slowly builds a cage you don't even realize you're trapped inside. And here's the scariest part. You don't feel the damage while you're drinking. You feel it when you try to stop. That's why quitting feels impossible. Not because you are weak, but because alcohol is designed, chemically, to keep you addicted. But there is good news. You can break free. And you don't need luck. You need a system backed by science, psychology, and real results. So today, I'll show you the 10 steps that actually work. The same steps people use to quit alcohol permanently. No sugarcoating, no vague advice. Just a proven roadmap to take your life back. Welcome to Wellness Lodge, where your health comes first. Let's begin. And trust me, step 4 onwards will change the way you think about alcohol forever. Step 1. The why list, the foundation. If you start quitting without a reason, you will relapse. Your brain needs a why stronger than the cravings, so write down the real cost of alcohol in your life. Your sleep, your energy, your appearance, your confidence, your relationships, your career, your health, your future. Don't lie to yourself. Don't sugarcoat it. This list becomes your weapon when cravings attack. People don't quit alcohol because they want to. They quit because they finally understand what alcohol has taken from them. Step 2. Remove the triggers. Your environment must change. This is where most people fail. You can't quit alcohol while keeping the same habits, the same friends, the same places, the same routines, and the same bottle sitting in your kitchen. For the first 30 days, remove all alcohol from your home, avoid bars or parties, change your evening routine, distance yourself from drinking friends temporarily, and avoid music or places that trigger memories of drinking. You're not escaping alcohol. You're escaping the trap alcohol built around you. Step 3. The 10-minute craving rule. Cravings feel endless, but research shows they last 7 to 10 minutes. So instead of fighting them, let them pass. When the urge hits, drink cold water, change rooms, take a quick walk, chew gum, or deep breathe for 30 seconds. Every craving you survive rewires your brain. You're training your mind to stop depending on alcohol for relief. This step alone reduces relapse by over 50%. Step 4. Replace the drink, not the ritual. Now the practical steps begin. The ones that matter most. Your brain doesn't miss alcohol. It misses the glass, the hand movement, the end-of-day reward, the relaxation signal. So do not quit dry. Replace the ritual with sparkling water, mocktails, herbal tea, fresh lemon water, or zero-alcohol drinks. When your brain still gets the ritual, the cravings drop massively. This is why many successful quitters start seeing progress in week 1. Step 5. Fix your sleep first. The secret to not relapsing. Here's something shocking. 80% of relapses happen at night. Not because people want alcohol, but because they're exhausted. Alcohol destroys REM sleep. When that REM sleep returns, your cravings naturally decrease. To fix your sleep, avoid screens 1 hour before bed. Sleep in a cool, dark room. Use herbal tea or magnesium. Avoid caffeine after 2 p.m. and go to bed at the same time daily. If you fix your sleep, your motivation doubles. Your discipline returns. Your brain heals faster. This is the difference between quitting for 3 days and quitting for life. Step 6. Nourish your damaged brain, the biological fix. Alcohol drains the body of B vitamins, magnesium, electrolytes, dopamine, and gut bacteria. That's why you feel anxious, irritated, foggy, and tired when you quit. To restore your brain, eat eggs, fish, nuts, bananas, and yogurt. Drink water aggressively. Add probiotics. Add leafy greens, and reduce sugar. When your brain gets the nutrients it was missing, You regain energy, clarity, motivation, and stability. Nutrition is not optional. It's the fuel your brain needs to detox. Step 7. Daily movement. The natural dopamine replacement. Alcohol gives you fake dopamine. Exercise gives you real dopamine. Even 10 to 15 minutes a day kills cravings, reduces anxiety, improves sleep, boosts motivation, reduces stress, and builds consistency. You don't need a gym. You just need movement. Walking, home workouts, stretching, jogging. This step rewires your reward system, making alcohol less appealing every day. Step 8. Social detox, the most painful step. Let's be brutally honest. You can't quit alcohol while surrounded by people who drink every weekend. Some people will pull you back down because your growth threatens their comfort. For the first month, avoid drinking events, reduce contact with heavy drinking friends, and stay away from environments that encourage alcohol. It's not personal. It's survival. Your new life will cost your old one, and that's okay. Step 9. Accountability. The 95% success trick. If you tell no one, you're more likely to relapse. If you tell one person, your success rate jumps to 65%. If that person checks in weekly, your success rate reaches 95%. A friend, partner, sibling, anyone. You don't need motivation every day. You just need someone who reminds you why you started. Step 10. Build a new identity. The final, most important step. If you quit alcohol without replacing your identity, you will relapse. Here's the truth. You're not just quitting a drink. You're quitting your stress habit, your coping mechanism, your reward system, your social identity, and your escape route. So fill that void with purpose. A hobby, a skill, a fitness goal, a business idea, a new routine. Sobriety isn't the absence of alcohol. It's the presence of a better version of you. And that version was waiting behind the addiction all along. Alcohol has taken enough from you. Your sleep, your energy, your confidence, your clarity, your health, your time, your peace. But it doesn't get to take your future. Not anymore. By following these 10 steps, you're not just quitting alcohol, you're rebuilding your brain, your body, and your life. And if you're still watching this, you're already stronger than your addiction. This is Wellness Lodge, helping you take back control of your life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your transformation starts now.